What if I told you a superpower lies hidden within you, waiting to emerge? A power to transform your health, energy, and life as you know it. Welcome, my friend, to the incredible world of biohacking your gut. This is where your body's secret weapon resides. Today, we'll uncover the mysteries of probiotics and how they can turn you into the strongest, healthiest version of yourself. This isn't just about banishing bloat and irregularity. It's about achieving your human potential, supercharging your performance, and living life to the absolute fullest. Intrigued yet? Buckle up, because we have a thrilling journey ahead. Now you may be wondering, what are probiotics? And what is this gut biohacking sorcery all about? Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide enormous benefits when consumed. We're talking tiny powerhouses like bacteria and yeasts. There are trillions of them thriving inside your digestive system right now. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Your gut contains roughly 10 times more bacteria than all the human cells in your entire body. This complex community of microbes is known as your microbiome. When balanced, it holds tremendous power over your health. But when your microbiome falls out of balance, it can wreak all kinds of havoc. We'll explore more soon about how probiotics can restore gut harmony and unlock astonishing superpowers. First, though, why is gut health so crucial in the first place? Your gut is command central for your health and well-being. It controls critical systems like your immune function, metabolism, digestion, and even mental health. When your gut microbiome is robust and balanced, these systems hum like a race car engine. But when it's askew, the results can be disastrous. We're talking inflammation, weight gain, leaky gut, chronic diseases, and more. The good news? Your microbiome is highly responsive to lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. This opens the door to optimization through strategic biohacking. Biohacking refers to using science and technology to upgrade your biology. Think pushing the human condition beyond its perceived limits, like installing turbo power into your gut. And this is where probiotic power comes in. These live microheroes can rebalance your microbiome and amplify all your vital systems. Let's uncover exactly how. For starters, probiotics increase microbial diversity in your gut. With all the different good bacteria species flourishing, there's no room for harmful pathogens to take over. It's like planting a lush garden versus letting weeds run rampant. Next, probiotics talk to your immune cells using chemical signals. This communication keeps inflammation at bay and fine-tunes your defenses. It's like having an elite security team protecting your gut's borders. Probiotics also enhance the intestinal barrier by sealing gaps between cells lining your gut wall. This creates an impenetrable force field to repel toxins and invaders. Plus, probiotics can even modulate neurotransmitters that elevate your mood and cognitive function. Talk about mind-body biohacking, and we've barely scratched the surface of probiotics' powers. Researchers discover new benefits all the time. But clearly, these micro-mavericks are tiny titans when it comes to boosting whole-body wellness. Now that your mind is blown about probiotics' potential, let's discuss the best sources for tapping into their benefits. You'll find probiotics naturally occurring in fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and kombucha. I recommend consuming a variety of these delights regularly. You can also take probiotic supplements to turbocharge your gut biohacking regimen. Look for evidence-based strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Aim for at least 10 billion CFUs and take them daily. But not all probiotic supplements are created equal. You want high-quality products from trusted brands, not junky formulas or sketchy sellers. Don't just read labels, do your homework. And remember, probiotics work synergistically with prebiotics, compounds that act as fertilizer to nourish probiotics. Get your fill from foods like onions, garlic, bananas, and whole grains. Now, are you feeling pumped to unleash the power of probiotics and start biohacking your way to greatness? Let's quickly recap the key action steps. Step 1. Consume probiotic-rich foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut. Step 2. Take a high-quality probiotic supplement with 10 billion CFUs or more. Step 3. Eat prebiotic foods like onions, garlic, bananas to nourish your probiotics. Step 4. Reduce intake of sugary foods that feed bad gut bacteria. Step 5. Manage stress through yoga, meditation, whatever works for you. Step 6. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly. Your gut microbes need rest too, and most importantly, have patience. It takes time to reshape your internal ecosystem. But stick with it, and you'll be amazed at the empowering transformations probiotics offer. The future of peak performance is here, and the key lies within your own gut microbiome. Will you unlock its boundless potential? The choice is yours. Either seize this opportunity or let it pass by. But just imagine what becoming the highest functioning version of yourself could mean. Of course, you should always consult with your physician to make sure you are doing what's right for your particular situation. The time to take control of your biology is now. Join the gut biohacking revolution. Claim the life you deserve, and believe in your superpower hidden within.